Win one for the Gibber. Defensive coach Abe Gibron, that is. That was the feeling in Tampa Bay last Sunday as the Buccaneers faced the NFL's best rushing attack and the team Gibron once coached, the Chicago Bears. The Bucs made Walter Payton pay for every yard and held the NFC's top-ranked offense to just 10 points. But as usual, the league's bottom-ranked offense was ineffectual, to say the least. In fact, the Buccaneer offense has been so ineffectual at home this year that in 6 home games, they've averaged just 1/2 point per game. Number 45, Gary Fensick, the second-year safety from Yale, set up the game's first points, a field goal in the 4th quarter. And then for the 9th time in 12 games, Walter Payton got his 100 yards. With 1,642, Payton still needs 362 more in his next 2 games to break O.J.'s record of 2,003. The game's only touchdown was scored by the NFC's leading scorer, Walter Payton, and it was more than enough to deal the Bucs their 26th straight loss, 10-0.